What's good, y'all? It's your boy Wavy Got No Limit, and I'm feeling wavy today. You feel me? I'm feeling good. You should be feeling good too. And today, I'm gonna be talking about perspective. You feel me? This is very important, man. You gotta change. You gotta look at different perspectives and things. I know y'all learned this in school, man. First person, second person, third. Like perspective. Like my perspective is different from your perspective. And a rich person's perspective is different from a poor person's perspective. But the poor person can become rich by changing his perspective. Y'all trying to see what I'm trying to say? So if you guys can change your perspective on life and on things, y'all could change your whole lifestyles, man. It's really that clean, man. It's really that cool. Alright? So to change your perspective, you have to look at things differently. You can't be looking at things the same way. Like losses. Like you might be thinking right now, damn, I just took an L, bro. I just took an L. But you can always get that dub in the future, man. That L is just for now. It's gonna be, in like 2 years, you're gonna laugh at that L, man. It doesn't really matter. Failure is just part of success, man. You can't win every single time. You feel me? I gotta change our perspectives, or you feel me? Like me and you have different perspectives on life. You feel me? You could probably be like, damn, my friends probably would probably laugh at me if I tried to do this, or damn, nobody around me has ever done this, man. They'd probably be jealous of me. Who cares, my nigga? But I'm like, who cares? You know what I'm saying? This is two different perspectives. Like, you trying to see what I'm trying to say, y'all? You could change the way you look at life and watch how that changes everything around you. It all begins with you. When you look in the mirror, my nigga, what do you see? A reflection of yourself, my nigga. Everything around you is a reflection of you. If you don't want to get up, you ain't gonna do shit. If you want to go get a job, you gonna have to go do some shit. You feel me? If you want to become your own boss, you gonna have to work for it. You just gotta change your perspective, man. You gotta evolve in every single way. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta start changing the way y'all think. Start changing your perspective on life, because, bro, life can be so much better, bro. From what you have now is not gonna be with you for the rest of your life, my nigga. Y'all gotta start understanding this. Everything you have now is not gonna be there forever. If you don't have everything you want, you can always get it, bro. Always. You can just get up, get it, work for it. Because you cannot get anything in this world if you're not working for it, bro. That's just how it works. Nothing in here is free. I'm over here trying to motivate y'all, trying to get y'all on y'all stuff. Because I see the potential in y'all. You feel me? All y'all so creative, man. The reason why you probably clicked on this video, you feel me? You probably want to better your life, man. You probably clicked on this video not knowing what this was, but when you watch this, bro, take what I say, man. Because I'm only trying to help y'all. I'm only trying to make y'all live better lives, bro. Because I see a lot of y'all feeling like y'all stuck. But if you just change your perspective, bro, it might not be easy at first, but you can always change your perspective on things. Like, most people who win weren't even thinking about winning. They were thinking about putting that work in, hard work every single day. You can't become the greatest if you ain't working hard every single day, bro. Every single day, or as much as you can, bro. You're gonna have to put that work in. You can't be looking at things the same way. Because how can a rich person think like a broke person? Or a broke person think like a rich person? And they're both in the same, two different environments, bro. But they can both think the same. They just got to change their perspective. Like the rich person, he's taking all these opportunities. He's, you know what I'm saying, doing all these big things. He's ready. He's taking action. He's doing all this. The poor person, he's not really taking opportunities. He's really just comfortable with where he's at. He doesn't think he could become anything bigger than this because everybody in his family or everybody around him doesn't have any of this. But there could be that one person who's like, hey, I'm not right here. I'm not right here right now. I'm right here. But I know if I work hard enough, I could be right here. I know that even if I fail, I will never give up. And then what happens after this? Once he starts changing, like, oh, I know I could become this. I don't care if anybody could think. Think I can. He's changing his perspective in that moment, man. And that's going to get him closer and closer to coming over here to the rich side, man. It's really that easy. Really that, not easy, but it's really that simple. It's just work hard, stay dedicated, never give up. Because who have you guys ever seen never give up and fail their whole life? Nobody. I bet y'all can't name one person who never gave up and didn't get what they wanted. Think about it, man. You just gotta never give up, and you gotta really look at your work as someone else. Like if you want to be an artist, you have to look at your art like if you're someone else. Cause it's cool if you like it, but the whole thing is if other people like it. That's how the fans come, you know? You gotta look at things in multiple ways. Those are different perspectives. You feel me? You could look at your music like, oh, I think this is good, right? And then try to be like, don't bop your head and just listen to everything. Like, just listen to it. And then be like, oh yeah, it's good. You see? You gotta check it yourself. You have to be the viewer and the creator at the same time. You gotta be able to switch that perspective, man. You wanna start a business. Hey, I like this business, but does anybody else like this business? Would anybody else like this business? How can they benefit off of it, as including you? You see? It's all different perspectives, man. All you gotta do is change that perspective and stay on your shit. Stay dedicated. But that's all I wanted to tell y'all, man. I love each and every one of you guys. Make sure y'all sub to the channel. I will be teaching y'all a lot more. You feel me? I love y'all, and I want to see y'all work hard and get anything you want in life. Because I know you can get anything you want in life. Because this is your life, not theirs, bro. If they talking, you feel me? That's none of their business, bro. Because they don't see the vision you see. Only you can see the vision. But with that being said, I'm out. Peace.